Hello, I'm going to be talking about my Jeep and my hood. So, this Jeep is a 1989 Cherokee. This Jeep is my first car, and this Jeep is in good condition except for the hood. So one day, I was driving this Jeep, and once I was done, I realized that there was a crack on my hood, and so I tried fixing it, and it just kept cracking, and I kept fixing it, but it just kept cracking, and I was I didn't know what to do. So this is the crack, and this is what was here when the crack was there, when it started forming this huge crack all along here. So apparently it's resting under there, and I just can't fix it anymore. So what that means is that I have to get a new hood from the field. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to open the hood and see how the hook looks like, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other Jeep that I'm getting the hood for this one. So here we go. Okay, well, it doesn't have the spring, it just has the hook, and it's right about in the middle. Okay, looks pretty good to me. Okay, let's open it. Well, looks like everything looks the same to me. The hook looks good. That looks good. And that looks good. Looks like the same thing on my Jeep. Well, there we go. I got a hood. Okay, so today I am taking this hood off. Let's see. Whoa! Okay, that's my first time doing that, so there we go. That's off now. So I'm gonna put this down there. Okay. What the heck done? Oh. Well, let me see. Well, I'm going to have to ask Dan to come out here and help me get this stuff off. I don't know how to do that. So, yeah, so I am going to take this hood all the way to our flatbed truck that is just sitting on our driveway. So, here it is, our flatbed truck. Ooh, let's see if I can put it up there. Flip it over. There we to go. So I'm gonna sand like the faded paint off, and then sand the clear coat off, and then I will be able to clean this, and then after that, paint. So I guess I should probably start with the clear coat first, since that might be the hardest to get off. The battery's getting low on the camera, so I'm just gonna have to finish this without filming it. So I will see you guys when I am cleaning it and then painting it. Alright, so I'm gonna clean it. Well, there's that painted. Clean. Now I have to get the paint. Painting. Pretty sure I'm out. Well, I guess I have to get new paint. So this is what my hood looks like. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, please. In the springtime, I will be painting it when the weather is nice, so it won't look like this, but tell me what you guys think. I'd really appreciate it.